It is Christmas Eve, and if you want to wow your dinner guests, Chef Lidia Bastianich has a show-stopping meal.
Lidia is the host of PBS special Lidia Celebrates America Changemakers, and you can follow her recipe by scanning that QR code. But first, we have to talk about this special. It's really great.
You know, Jenna, I do once a year for PBS sort of how I appreciate America. And this Changemakers are young American people throughout the United States. With food, they make a difference. Whether they feed people that don't have food, not wasting food. You know, as Americans, we waste 40% of our food.
I know. I hate
That's
hearing
so sad.
that.
How did you find the people in your book?
Well, you know how it happens in research and connections, and so it's also, we go all the way up to Michigan, and there is the cricketers.
Oh.
You know, what is the future of food? You know, for the whole universe, for our whole.
Wow.
You know,
so you dig into it.
Insects.
Wait, crickets? Is that what a cricketer is?
Exactly.
Wait, cricketers is the new future of food?
Well,
maybe.
Maybe, you know, the crickets have a lot of protein.
They're protein filled.
Exactly. But the old cultures, Mexican, Chinese, and all that, they eat them. So we have to consider
Let's
that.
think about it.
Well,
we'll think about it. I'm planting the seed.
We're not serving it for this. We're not serving it.
Today we're having something.
It's Christmas
No.
We're not serving it. But for people that are thinking, okay, what should I serve for Christmas Day or maybe even New Year's Day? You've got a great recipe.
A nice piece of meat in the oven. Use the oven. That helps you the most.
Okay.
You put it in there. And so
What is this huge chunk?
This is leg of lamb.
Wow.
Deboned, and it's about 5 pounds, 6 pounds. Have the butcher butterfly it like that, open it, cut anything, and we'll make a marinade sort of.
Okay.
So I have here mustard and oil.
Okay.
Put parsley.
Parsley.
Okay.
Sorry.
In there.
Okay. In there. You got it. And what's this?
Rosemary.
Guys, I love the smell of rosemary.
Me too. Okay. Garlic, pepperoncino. You can go. Yeah. No. Okay.
Just a couple.
Do you like a lot of garlic?
A couple.
Okay.
And just a little of this.
Yeah. Well, as much as you'd like.
Okay. And then some salt.
Right.
So what? This is going to be something that you're going to put
Marinade.
on
It's going to turn into this.
Oh, into that paste. Oh,
okay. So this way, like this.
Okay.
And just
pulse it, whatever.
Okay. Zoom.
It's fine.
Okay.
It's happening. This is what's going to turn out, and this is what's going to give all the flavor. You know, lamb. Sometimes people have problem with maybe too lammy, too dry. This will do it. So a little bit of salt. Get me a little pepper in there.
You got it.
I like how you're putting Hoda to work.
I'm very busy.
Yeah. Your time is coming.
I'm just sitting back and relaxing for now.
Your time is coming. And we're going to spread
just
it.
Look how beautiful that green color is.
Yes.
For the holidays?
All over it.
All over it. And, you know, it's going to cook. It's going to permeate the meat.
Do you need to let that sit for?
No. No, it's okay.
Good,
okay, I think this
perfect.
is
That looks
okay.
Generous amount you put there.
We'll put that there.
Okay, now you're just going to.
Now you're going to lift that baby up. You're going to roll it.
Absolutely. You just roll it. It's simple. You know, sometimes
people get overwhelmed about rolling.
Exactly. Overwhelmed about rolling.
And then you tie this baby.
Yes. Go ahead. You can start on that side.
Me?
You can start on this side.
I'm not great at tying.
You just tie bows?
You just put the meat, you just put it on. Go ahead. You're flossing it too.
Put your finger in there. So that's it. Wait, I'm coming too.
Do I need to do it? What? Look, I think that's tight enough. Is it?
No.
Well, it's too late.
Okay, we'll fix it.
Did I do okay?
Yeah, it's somewhat a beginner.
You know what? Even calling me somewhat means a lot to me, Lydia.
Okay, good. So now let's
under here?
Yeah, go ahead.
In the middle.
Okay, I'll let you put your finger.
I'll put my finger in. Here, drop it down.
That's what a true
I'm
friend
letting
does.
the ladies go ahead. Let's see what.
You want to tie it in a knot?
Yes, tie another knot.
No, you're making a bow. She's
Well,
so.
'cause this is-
bow.
This is a
Okay.
fancy
Christmas.
lamb.
Okay, and we can cut this. We can.
Why do you cut it?
Because
You don't want to burn the strings.
Yeah,
burn?
yeah. This we can put another
Look how
one
beautiful.
here.
We have to
but
do
we
it.
get
Okay,
the
pretend
idea.
we did it because
Let's
that's a
pretend.
lot of rolling.
Yeah, let's see. A little messy here, but okay.
It's okay.
Now the vegetables. So you have the meat and you have the vegetables. Hoda, season with salt. This.
So we got
You
onions,
season
carrots.
with salt. This.
Oh, season with salt. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And pepper?
Oil. Yeah, pepper too.
Pepper.
I like this. This, you know.
I know we like it too.
Oil. Go,
This
go,
is
go for
olive
it.
oil. Yes.
More
pepper?
Yes,
Pepper,
yes,
thank
yes,
you.
yes. The garlic. Put
Yes, ma'am.
some of the garlic in
How much
there.
of the
And
garlic do you like?
rosemary.
That's enough. No, that's enough. Leave that some there.
Rosemary.
Okay, this is good.
Rosemary?
Yeah. Okay.
Hoda told me
So
to.
now we can put this baby right in there.
Wow.
Look at that.
Hunk.
Look, And
so you nestle it right in there.
I had put on the side.
What is this?
On the side?
This is wine, and there's stock.
Can you just use like leftover wine? Yeah.
That's the best way to use. You don't want to waste any.
No, I don't.
So this stays in a 400-degree oven.
All right, let's take it down so we can get on the potatoes.
For a year. For an hour and a half or more. Depends on what it's at. And these are the potatoes. So
Smashed.
I love this.
Me too.
This is one of
You
my
like it?
favorite things.
A smashed
so you
potato.
boiled these, and you're going to use it.
I am boiling these. Get me some rosemary. Put some
Yes, ma'am.
bit of rosemary
Yes,
in here.
ma'am.
Okay. Like this.
Just like that.
But those are already boiled.
We've got about a minute,
They
so we're
are
going to
boiled.
keep going.
Yeah,
I want to
yeah.
try one of these potatoes.
Me
'cause
too,
they
but I
look
wanna wash
so
my
good.
hands.
So wait, so all you did was you took that and you just smashed it with a cup?
Yeah, with the glass.
How is that?
You want to do it? Go ahead.
Yes, I do.
Go ahead.
Smash it.
It's satisfying.
It is
Oh, wow.
satisfying.
Not so much, Hoda.
Hoda.
Nice and easy. Nice
That
and
one
easy.
looks pretty.
I didn't know. I thought it was going to be harder to do.
Okay, good. So this, you put it in the oven in half an hour with that, and
These are nuts.
you get it finished.
This is nuts.
Look at this beautiful
I'm
holiday
coming here.
meal. Come in.
And you
then
have
what
all the
are we serving?
vegetables.
What's for dessert?
Again, oven. I told you, holidays, you have guests. The
Yes,
oven
ma'am.
is your friend.
Remember what she told you?
Roast some
I did.
pears, some cranberries, and
And put a little vanilla ice cream on that. No?
yes, vanilla ice cream, or just like that.
Okay.
And
Oh my
this
God,
is it.
Lydia. Lydia.
Tell
this
me.
is so
This
good.
is delicious.
Is this good? Let me show you how. You know, then you put it. You let
then
it
you cut
rest
it?
a little bit. You
Cut
just
it.
Okay.
And you slice it up.
Look, Lydia did it. She did it. It's beautiful. And we appreciate you, Lydia. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Lydia. We
Merry
love
Christmas,
you.
lady.
You can
okay.
get-
You're
we
gonna do
love
this
you.
for your family.
Probably not, but we love you. You can get these recipes at today.com/food and catch
Look at
Lydia
that.
Celebrates America Changemakers.
Look at that.
On
look
PBS.
look at how it's just coming right
or
off.
online.
Look what she's doing.
Look what she's doing.